What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a wireless karaoke microphone for your vehicle, especially for the Tesla. So let's go ahead and open this up. Out of the box, it comes in this really nice case. So let's open this up so we can see what's inside. So this is what the carrying case looks like. It's really nice. It's made out of this nice soft leather in this gray color. You have the Puremic Party Time logo on here. So let's open this up. And on the inside, you're going to get the mic, of course. You also get this dongle. It's going to be a Bluetooth dongle with a USB-C to USB-A connection. This is going to be for plugging in the USB port of the Tesla. You have an auxiliary cable. You also get your user manual. It shows you how to get connected. This microphone, it works straight out of the box. It's already paired to the dongle, so you don't have to do any other work there. Now, to get this microphone to work in your vehicle, especially for the Tesla vehicles, it's going to be very simple. So if you have a speaker that you're wanting to plug this in and you just want to, be able to, talk or sing straight from the microphone to outside auxiliary, you can use this aux cable that way. So you can plug this into a speaker or plug it into any other auxiliary connection in a vehicle. That way your voice can be heard over the speakers. In your Tesla, depending on your year of your vehicle, you would use the USB-A connection, and this is going to go into the glove box of the USB port of your newer Teslas. And some later models, you would use the left side USB port that's in the center console. So in my experience, I have a Tesla Model 3. When getting this connected, I would use the left USB connection, plug that in. Once this is plugged in, you will see the indicator light. Now, what's really cool about this mic, it works once you get it powered on. It has a up and down button on here, which allows you to adjust the volume. And then on this middle button here, this is going to be different sound effects. So if you want to have a little bit more fun with your voice, you can sound like different things like a robot, or have a really high pitch or a really low pitch sound, or you can add an echo effect. So if you want that real karaoke style, you can go ahead and hit that, and you can sing along to your favorite songs with those effects. Now, what's really cool, you can sing along to just about any music, whether it's going to be played over your playlist or if you're listening to music maybe over YouTube. But what's really cool is Tesla also has a karaoke app. So that way you can upload that app and you can really have fun in your vehicle. Now, to make sure that your phone really lasts, you want to make sure that it's fully charged. So once you have this plugged in, it'll take about 4 hours to get this fully charged. After that, you have about 15 hours of usage out of your charge. So guys, once again, this is going to be the karaoke microphone for your vehicle or for inside usage by Puremic. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.